Charlie was excited. Today was the costume party. Everyone would be dressing up, and he knew exactly what he wanted to be. A sailor, just like his dad. "Dad, can I dress like you?" he asked with a big smile. His dad nodded and placed a sailor's hat on Tom's head. "A real sailor stands tall and knows how to salute," he said. Charlie stood straight, his eyes full of delight. He raised his hand and practiced. I, he said proudly. At the party, his friend Sophie said, "You look so smart, Charlie." Mike, another friend, joined in. "You shine like a real sailor." Charlie beamed with pride. He had the best time at the party, feeling just like his dad, a true sailor